Good morning, children. Open empty book. Lesson 3. Lesson name is Unity is Strength. There were two sparrows, the husband and the wife. They lived in a forest in a tree. After some time, the female sparrow laid 3 eggs in the nest. The sparrow felt very happy and began to prepare to welcome their chicks. Children, as you know, 2 sparrows are there living in the forest. Female sparrow laid 3 eggs and they were happy to welcome for them. Unfortunately, one day a big and mad elephant came there and stood under the tree where the sparrow lived. The tusker then caught hold of the branches of the tree on which the nest was built. The tusker pulled down and broke off the branches, and the eggs were destroyed. However, the sparrows fled and escaped death, but the loss of the eggs was too much for them. They began to wail and weep and wanted to have revenge on the tusker. You can see here, unfortunately, at once one day there big elephant came and he got hold the branches of tree, and after that there were eggs in nest fell down, and after that eggs were destroyed. After seeing that, sparrows became very sad and they started crying and they want to revenge from the mad elephant. Listening their cries, a woodpecker came there. He was their friend. The sparrows requested the woodpecker to help them in punishing the mad tusker who had destroyed their eggs. The woodpecker promised to help them as he was their true friend. When both were crying, after listening their voice, sparrow's friend woodpecker came and he consoled them to help for their eggs. The woodpecker had another friend, a fly. He took the sparrows to the fly for advice and help. They told the fly how a wicked and mad tusker had destroyed their eggs. The fly too had a friend, a frog who lived in a nearby pool. They all together went to the frog, seeking his help and advice in the matter. After that, woodpecker collect their friends, lot of friends there, a frog, woodpecker, fly, all come together and make a plan. The frog heard them patiently and then said, "Let us work unitedly to execute a clever plan which will kill the tusker." The fly should go to the elephant at noon when it is his rest time and hum in his ear. All friends make a clever plan to revenge from tusker. After that, they make a plan. In that plan, fly will hum in elephant's ear at that time when he was taking rest. The music will soothe him to sleep. Then the woodpecker will go and blind him by pecking his eyes. Then I will croak aloud from the edge of a nearby ditch. The elephant, feeling thirsty, will come to the ditch, taking it to be a lake full of water and then fall in it and die after some time. Children, this was the plan of all animals to kill the elephant. They all agreed to implement the clever plan of the frog. The very next day, they carried it out with great success. It was their plan and they were success to made this plan, and they were use this plan very carefully. The tusker, blind by the woodpecker, groped his way to the deep ditch and fell down in it headlong and died. After their plan, the elephant fell down by head and became died. Thus all the friends worked unitedly and caused the death of the mighty and wicked tusker. In this way, the proudy and wicked tusker finished. It pleased the mother sparrow the most. She thanked all her friends and so did the father sparrow. After their plan, the mad elephant killed. After knowing this, both sparrow became very happy. Thank you.